Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Transform your home into a blooming heaven with our latest YouTube video showcasing enchanting flower decoration ideas. Explore a floral arrangement from vibrant bouquets to creativity centerpieces, designed to add a touch of nature's beauty to every corner. Dive into the art of combining color, textures, and various blooms to create a stunning visual display that elevate your home ambience. Uncover tips on selecting the right flowers for different spaces and occasions, as well as innovative ways to incorporate them into your decor. Whether you are a floral enthusiast, this video offers a bouquet of ideas to infuse freshness and charm into your living space. Join us on this floral journey and let nature elegance bloom in every room of your beautiful home. I hope you like this beautiful collection. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.